This is Billy Stanton with Midwest Applied Solutions, and I'm here today to explain the operation of the LG PREMTC Simple Remote Control or Thermostat. I'm going to be reviewing the operation of the basic buttons and functions. First of all, on the screen of the thermostat, you see the first button in the upper right hand corner is the power button. If we turn on the power button, we'll see that it is lights up and comes on. Displayed on the screen at the top is a little pictogram depicting which mode the system is. As we scroll through the modes, you currently see that it has a sun for heating, fan blades for fan only mode. That means it's just blowing the fan without any active heating or air conditioning. The A stands for auto mode. You'll see it's giving us two different set points. Some systems will have two set points and some systems will have one set point. Cooling is the snowflake, and the droplet is dehumidify mode or dry mode. It's basically just cooling, the fan speed set to low, and no set point. If the system that you have is a heat pump system, you will not be able to use the operation mode button. It will flash a large HL in the middle of the screen, which stands for hard lock. Heat pumps cannot be operated in synchronous mode, meaning no simultaneous heating and cooling operation. The entire system either needs to be in heat or cool, and the mode is set by the central controller. System that we're looking at today is a heat recovery system, which is why we are able to use the mode button. Additionally, we have a fan speed button. Fan speed button allows for the selection of low, medium, high, and auto fan speeds. Depending on how your auto mode is set up, it's either going to provide a sequence of low, medium, and high fan operation, or change the fan speed to reflect the distance from set point. So if your distance from room temperature to set point is very large, the unit will run at a higher fan speed, and as it approaches the set point, it will shift itself to a lower fan speed. Most commonly though, it will provide a sequence of low, medium, and high speed repeated over and over again. The temperature up and down buttons will allow you to change your set point temperature, and it will allow you to change that temperature within the range of temperatures which are allowed by the central controller. In auto mode, dual set point, you have an upper temperature and a lower temperature, being heat and cool respectively. If you just press the temp button on its own, the numbers will begin to flash, and they'll change together in the increments that the unit is set up for. If they're flashing together and you press the upper mode button again, it will allow you to select a cooling or heating by pressing it again, set point, without adjusting the other one. There will be a dead band of temperatures between which you cannot change. In this case, it is 4 degrees. Generally, it will be set somewhere between 2 and 5 degrees. After you have made your temperature selections, if you just let it sit, it will go back to normal operation, or you can press the upper mode button until the numbers stop flashing. To turn the system back off again, just press the power button and operation will stop. These thermostats have a number of other features which you may or may not be using. Most of them are accessed by accident. Those two being the setback feature and the override feature. Neither of them is typically used in a standard operation, but if accidentally you press and hold the power button, you'll place the thermostat into setback mode. To get back out of setback mode, press and hold the power button again, you'll be returned to the normal screen. Override can be accessed by pressing and holding the upper mode button, and removed again by pressing and holding the upper mode button. If you need to perform a child lock on the thermostat or remove a child lock from the thermostat, that is done by pressing and holding the up arrow and the fan speed buttons together, holding them down until the screen displays CL for child lock. And once it is locked, none of the buttons will work. Can be removed by pressing and holding the fan speed and up arrows again until the child lock is removed.